This chapter is on pediatrics, which is the branch of medicine involving the care of infants and children. And the drugs are almost always prepared as liquids instead of tablets. And this is because liquids are easier for children to take. And dosages are almost always smaller. And the math in this chapter is not any different than math that we've covered so far. We're going to be given a label, and we're going to need to set up a proportion with the order to find the dosage. So these are our labels. And question number 1 says, prepare a 20 milligram dosage of meperidine. So I need to find my strength, and that is right here. So I'm going to set up a proportion, 25 mg over 1 ml is equal to 20 mg over x. And then I'm going to solve this, and we get 0.8, or you could put 0.80 mLs.